Welcome back, everyone. Today you are going to learn your first game in Unity with the code. So today we are going to learn about how to code in a Unity. So we are going to create a script. So let's see what will be my expectations for today. So you are going to move the car and then you are going to write the code. How we are going to do it? You have to create a new scene. So click on the new project. And here we are going to choose the Universal 2D. And then you can name the project. Make sure you name it so you are not going to get confused with other students. So I will say my new game, my new car game. Click on create project. Make sure it's a Universal 2D. Create project. And you will see the Unity pop up. It will take a couple of minutes. In the meantime, what we are going to do it, go to your Google Classroom. You have a prototype 1 starter files, or you can go to the Unity Introduction to Unity chapter. I will say, hey, follow this one. It's really in detail. It's a good source for you to understand. Watch the video tutorials. This is step-by-step instructions here too. So I'm saying mark complete and continue, and then you will go continue to the next item. Start your 3D engine. Here you will see a material prototype 1 starter files zip. Click on it and you will see here in your downloads you have the starter files, this 832 KB. Click on this folder. It's in your downloads. If you like to go to your downloads right here, I am going to right click on it, right click, extract all, because it's a zipped folder we are going to extract, and then I'm going to extract on the same location. Right, in the meantime our Unity new scene is ready. So hey, click on extract and you will see you have your prototype 1 starter files ready. Click on it. You will see, hey, we have a exe file here, which is executable file. If you see prototype 1 starter files, use 6 Unity package, right? Once you go to your scene, it's actually taking a couple of minutes. All right, our scene is pretty much ready. It's ready, all right. So what I'm going to do it, I am going to go to the prototypes 1, click on it, and you are going to see the pop-up screen like import Unity package. You don't have to change anything since it's selected all. If you want to unselect anything, particularly highly recommended not, just click on import. It's pretty quick, right? Now you are going to go to the assets right here, and you have the scenes here. You will have 2 scenes, prototype 1 and the sample scene. We are on the sample scene at this time. Click on the prototype 1. You will see your scene here. Click on the start button, on the play button, and let's see. You have your scene, you have the road, you have your main camera, you have the directional light in the hierarchy, you have the environment, and then I'm going to click on the stop button. Hey, let's see, we cannot see our road. So you will go here, click on the 2D, and your road is here. So here is the 2D, click on it. The road is here. If you don't see those options, you will click here on the 3 dots. You are going to click on the overlay menu, and then you have, see, when I'm moving my cursor, you will see everything is highlighting. So you can find the option for your 2D, which is a view options. and you have to turn it on if you are not seeing those options. So one more time, where you have to go, you are going to click here, overlay menu. We have the overlay menu here. And that's all pretty much, right? All right, so after that, I am going to the course library, and then here we go. You are going to see the vehicles, right? Whatever the vehicle you like to use, drag and drop from here. So my vehicle is there. If you see in my inspector window, my vehicle name is this. I have the position X, Y, and Z. If you are going to move forward, you see your Z point. This is your Z axis. It's a Z point. If you are going to use this red arrow key, this is your X. So you can say, hey, if you want to keep it in the center, just press 0. So it's in the middle on the center line, right? And here you will see we have a couple of tools on the side, which is a view. You can view by scrolling the mouse center button. You can zoom in and zoom out. Next one, we have a move tool. If you like to move, then you will see the 3 arrows on your object. Rotation tool, if you like to rotate your object or vehicle or your car. Scale tool, if you like to make it bigger, like, okay, a bigger car, right? And then this is rect tool, and then this is a transform tool, all right? So I'm not going to go too much in detail. Let's use this and move a little forward here. So now the problem is when you click on a play, hey, look at where your camera is. Your camera is on the side and your car is supposed to be a little higher to the road. So I'm going to pull this up a little bit and look at it. Where is now? All right, we have to move a little higher too. Or we can see, hey, road is on, X is on 2 and Y is on minus 1.7. And let's see our car 1.7. So I will say minus 1.789. And let's see why it's more down, because it's below the road, right? Now what we are going to do it, hey, let's do it 0 here. Oh, we are adjusting the road actually. So let's undo by pressing the Control Z and then go to the vehicle, right? Let's do it 1, it's higher, and then by holding the center mouse button, just hold it, you see it's all good, very close. Right, looks perfect. Now our camera is on the side. We have to move the camera behind the car. How we are going to do it? Go to the main camera. You see your camera is here. So, and then we have the move tool. I am going to pull this red arrow and going to bring it back here and going to move somewhere there, a little back, and then here we go. And now let's see where our camera is. Oh my God, I lost my camera, right? How we can fix it? You can try to adjust, and then this time I'm going to press F so you can see, you can focus on your object, right? It's way too high. So let's see here. And then click on the play button. It's again not where we want. So let's do it here. Might be F again to look. Where's your camera is looking? I'm not sure. It's looking on a different location. All right. So what I'm going to do it, I'm going to go to my car. Look at it. I have X7, Y0, and Z is 1.52. Now I'm going to look at my camera. The main camera is here. I'm going to change the positions to everything 0, 0, 0, right? And then press enter and then go to the road. And now we are going to go closer by pressing the mouse center button. Go to the main camera. See, your camera is here. Just move it slightly back. Look at it here. Click on the play button. Your camera is off again. Now I'm going to press F, and then see, your camera is facing that side. We don't want it. I'm going to move my camera to this side, what we have to view. So go here, look at it. My camera is here. I am going to move here and see if it's facing that way, right? But I'm not seeing the road. Where is the road now? So let's go here. Let's go to the move tool and pull the camera forward. Rotate a little bit more here. And let's see if we can see. Oh, pretty close. Too much struggle for the camera, right? Let's go to the move tool, bring it down. Here. Move this here, move this there. And then, hey, let's move this like this. And we are going to move this here. F for to focus. Still is looking in a different side. But let's see. And I will show you another thing, best practice. Go to the overlay menu and we have the camera view as well. Hey, it's better, right? Now, when you rotate your camera, you can see where your camera is facing. Better, right? Now you can see, hey, your camera is facing to the sky, to down, somewhere here, and let's move it to. Looks good, right? Now we are going to move our camera a little closer, so see what direction we are seeing. All right. You see your camera here, right? Okay, so basically you have to use the rotate tool, you have to use the move tool, you have to use the F key to focus on your objects. Like if you like to focus on this, you can focus on your car. If you have to focus on your main camera, you click F so you can focus, right? So here you can see the car in the camera. Where you're going to turn this on, you are going to go to the overlay menu, and then you have here, right? You can turn it on and turn it off. All right, so click on the play button and you will see your camera is on the right spot behind the car, and then it's on the road, right? Now we are going to add a couple of more things. Click on the road, double click on it, so you will see your road is here. I'm going to go to use the move tool. Control C to copy and Control V to paste. You will see in the hierarchy you have road and road 1, right? I'm going to use the move tool straight ahead, and I am going to add another road here. If you like to do it one more, like to go far, you can do that, but I think it's okay now this time. Now we are going to the course library again. We are going to go to the obstacles, and then you are going to add any obstacle there, Right, here we go. And then as I mentioned, F key to focus, and then you are going to move it into the center in the middle somewhere here. And if you like to move it, to scale it, to make it bigger, let's do it. All right, click on play. Your car is not moving, not doing anything. What we have to do in this case. So let's move and then make it a little bigger so you can see from the car side. Here we go. Good enough. Let's see. All right, good. Now you will go to the course library and you are going to write a code, right? Now I am going to create a folder. Why we need a folder? So you can organize your code somewhere and then you will know where you have your code. It's easy to find. We have the folder and we name it code. Double click on it. Again, go right click on it, create, and then now this time we are going to click on mono behavior script. We are going to write a script in a Visual Basic, and we are going to use the language which is a C#, right? Now I'm going to click on mono behavior script, right? And then you can rename it vehicle movement, car move. I will say car movement, right? And you are going to double click on it and you will see the Visual Studio is here. Let me show you. It's opening and it's opened on my another screen. All right. So we have, if you see here, the code is Unity Engine because we are using the Unity. And then a public is a class. And then it's a mono behavior. Void start is also functions. What we are going to do it when we have to move our car in this environment, we are going to write a very simple code here in where it says void update. After it says update is called once per frame, we are going to add a code here, which is a transform right here, dot translate. And then x0, y0, and z is 1. And then here we go. And then you are going to press the Control and S key from the keyboard. Minimize this. If you see something is loading like this, hey, you're good to go. Click on the play button. Your car is going to move and the camera is on the right position. If it's not moving, something happened. What happened? We made a mistake? Yes. How your car will know the car have a code, right? The car, we have to drag this code and drop it to the car. So see, we have in the hierarchy, we have our car is selected. You can drag and drop the code here. And hey, you will see in here, if we have the code here in the inspector window. If we don't, hey, just click here, drag and drop to the car. Now you see the car movement script here. Boom. Click on the play button. And now this time your car, oh my goodness, ran fast. Now, see your car passed this obstacle, nothing happened. What we are going to do today, hey, add component. This time I am going to add rigid body. Here is, and if you see the mass is Z1 only, I'm going to do 5,000. Let's see what will happen now. Click on play. Boom, right? And since we don't have a mass here, Nothing is happening, so we are going to select the barrel, click Add a rigid body 2D, a rigid body, where is it? Rigid body, not 2D, rigid body. And then you see we have a mass, we'll say the mass is supposed to be 10. And now see, your car is going to hit the, the barrel. Look at it again. See, so if we are going to make this barrel a little smaller, let's see what will happen right here. Now click on play. See, now when your car is hitting, so the barrel is moving as well. All right, that's all we have to do it today. And if you like to make the copies for your barrel, hey, Control C, as I mentioned, Control V, use the move tool to move it, and then you can put it on different spots. Control C, Control V, and then here we go. As many you want. Control C, Control V again. You can align on the different spots. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me during the class time. Take care.